This video showcases our GradeGPT tool, which is built on ChatGPT and specialized for grading. Let's start with a snapshot of GradeGPT in action. Here we have our GradeGPT page with ungraded student answers at the bottom. To grade these, simply enter your grading criteria and click Send. Our AI will now grade the student answers. Once done, scroll down to see its suggested feedback and marks. Once you've reviewed our AI's work, click Save, and you've now graded all students. GradeGPT can help grade almost any answer, including essays, short answers, entire math solutions, tables, chemical formulas, and so on. Note that GradeGPT is available for both our online and paper answer sheets. Let's now demonstrate how to use GradeGPT from start to finish. To do so, let's use an example. Imagine you wanted to administer an assessment with 5 open-ended questions. To start, like always, click on Create an Answer key. Since the questions are open-ended, let's add 5 free response answers and then click Create. As usual, print student answer sheets and scan them once students have filled them out. Now, it's time to grade the results with GradeGPT. To do so, we advise that you head to our Answers tab, which starts by showing every student's answer to question number 1. You could use GradeGPT to grade just one student. However, we recommend grading all students at once by clicking Select All and then AI Grading. Because this was a paper assessment, the student answers first need to be converted from an image into text. Since none of these answers contain math formulas, let's click on Regular Text and then Convert. Once SwiftGrade has read the student answers, you will land on our GradeGPT page. To start, click the prompt and tell our AI how to grade the student answers. Make sure to be very specific. When finished, simply click Send and our AI will now grade the students. Once done, you can scroll down to see the draft feedback and marks that it provided. Feel free to pause the video at any time to take a closer look. To make edits, simply click in and type. Once everything's reviewed, click Save, and you're done. Now, here's 4 additional tips and tricks for this page. 1. Click the favorites icon to save your prompt for future use. 2. To reuse past prompts, click the import icon and then select the prompt that you want to reuse. Just as an example, let's send this prompt. 3. In the student table, you have individual student actions such as save and remove, save, clear unsaved feedback, and remove without saving. For example, everything with this student looks good, so let's save and remove them. 4. Avoid using GradeGPT with answers that contain pictures, diagrams, or graphs, as it currently gives poor results. For these, use either our quick grading or rubric grading tools. Before ending, here's a few last points. First, note that we don't train our AI on any of your data. Next, please understand that GradeGPT isn't meant to do all your grading. Instead, it's meant to give you a great starting point to work from. Finally, remember that our AI will only get better over time. Thanks for watching, and happy grading.